What is up guys, my name is Chase and this is a giant box. In my last unboxing video, I unboxed my new Mac Studio, which is going to be replacing my 27-inch iMac. And since I'm going from an all-in-one computer to just a standalone desktop computer, that means I need a monitor. And instead of getting Apple's $1,500 display, I decided to go with a display that is basically like 1/5 of the price. This is the Dell S2722QC. It's a 27-inch 4K monitor. Let's open it up. I really like the box. Random note. Here we go. Wow, we got cables on cables. Oh geez. So this is a handy little paper to show you how to install the mount on the display. Now warranty stuff. This is the power cable. Ooh, it comes with a USB-C to a USB-C, which is nice. And this is like the bottom plate of the stand. Let's take this off. This is the actual like stand part, which I think we have to assemble first. We're gonna reference our handy dandy instructions. Alright, so here's the actual like stand, like that, and then we screw in this little thing. There's our stand. Now we have to actually like take out the monitor. Oh gosh, I'm so scared. Wow. So here's our monitor. 27 inches of goodness. Bada bing. Bada boom. There. Easy as that. Oh my god, I can't believe I actually did something successfully in my life. Let's take this out. Oh gosh, I'm so scared. So scared, so scared. Alright. Oh no! I have nowhere to put it. I need help. Alright, here is our Dell S2722QC. It's supposed to be height adjustable. Can I adjust the height? There we go. It is height adjustable. And it's supposed to go 90 degrees. That. So it does go 90 degrees, which is nice. It has a tilt feature, but interestingly enough, there's no swivel. Like you can't like move it left or right. You can only go up and down or tilt up and down. Oh hey guys, by the way, I forgot to show you the ports on this thing. So that's where the power cable goes into. We got two HDMI ports. That is a 65-watt USB-C port. That's an audio out. And that is a USB 3.0 port. So we have lots of ports if you need it. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Funny enough, I've had the Mac Studio for the past 2 or 3 days and I had to wait 2 or 3 days just for this monitor, so still have to set everything up. Should be an exciting time. But yeah, for now, feel free to go check out more of my unboxing videos below. I guess that's it. My name is Chase. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the Dell S2722QC. I will see you guys again soon. Bye.